Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 155 summary. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get into it. In this first clip, Free Russian Legion Ukrainian Saboteurs are burning up a Russian propaganda Z symbol in the city of Krasnodar within Russia. Here, the 93rd Brigade shoots down an Orlan-10 drone with a Manpad just above them. The Orlan then falls to the ground and crashes just a moment later.
Так, що тут у нас? Камера. А де камера? Камера вигоріла, да?
Все, стакан.
Стакан з камери, да?
Я бачу, що він вигорів, то що
Вигорів повністю.
регулюється. А движок самий те самий, понял? О, мені якраз на машині.
Маркировка є якась на диску там?
Так хуй ось очки, ні.
Я понял.
Ну все. Спасибо, що забрали.
Слава Україні!
An explosion occurred in the Sivierny area of Donetsk today, but nothing is really known about this explosion, or what caused it. The 93rd Brigade has not only knocked out an Orlan-10 drone today, but they have also destroyed another Russian tank with an artillery barrage, as we can see here in this film. We can see the artillery coming down onto the tank, and they've also highlighted one in the tree line that appears to be smoking and smoldering. As the camera gets a little closer, we can tell that that is certainly a T-80 series of tank, and now it is beginning to brew up with the ammunition cooking off inside the tank. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and just for everyone's information, there will only be 4 more of these short summary videos, with the last one airing this Sunday. Thank you all once again for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.